Most of us seek for experiences that are long-lasting and satisfying. Experiences that fuels our need to advance and are both memorable and extraordinary. Excel Group of Companies provides a platform for experiences to cultivate and aspirations to be fulfilled. A recognized leader in the service and manufacturing industry, Excel Group of Companies is known for its proficiency, competence, innovation, and hard work. It offers advanced solutions and operates in a vast number of businesses. Excel Engineering, Hussain Engineering, Excel Cards, Call Courier, and Excel Construction. Excel Group of Companies possesses two of the best automotive parts manufacturing companies in Pakistan, Excel Engineering and Hussain Engineering. With their well-laid-out furnaces, updated CNC machining lines, and facilities including castings, sheet metal, fabrication and forging, both the engineering units have proven their proficiency in the market. One, producing high-quality engineering goods for two of the biggest tractor manufacturers, and second, manufacturing wide range of high-quality parts for many automotive companies. The ISO-certified companies with a total strength of 800 employees stands as one of the leading engineering facilities in Pakistan. Excel Cards is a one-stop offset printing solution for the largest packaging and commercial brands of Pakistan. Our design and development teams help visualize ideas by providing only cost-effective solutions which create value for our customers. Our state-of-the-art printing facility has two 5-color offset printers with UV and water-based coating units, die cutting and embossing, folding and gluing, cold set lamination, hot foil stamping, screen printing, texture, even bobbing, braiding, and tipping machines. We are the pioneers of printing scratch cards in Pakistan. Excel Cards has the capacity to efficiently handle the most challenging printing requirements, ensuring delivery within our clients' turnaround and exceeding expectations of quality. As the trend of online shopping has increased tremendously, Excel Call Courier, recognizing the need of delivering these items on time at buyer's doorstep, introduced COD services nationwide. With 24 to 48-hour delivery time, Call Courier delivers to more than 400 destinations, covering every corner of Pakistan. What makes Call Courier clients' most trusted COD service is its automated software and mobile application. It not only gives online booking facility but also real-time tracking and update of each shipment. We offer our clients various packaging options, in-house design department to help customize the packaging for each client, warehousing facility, time-stipulated delivery, and international delivery services. With changing times and needs, Call Courier prides itself on service reliability with innovative solutions. Established in 2005, Excel Construction provides general contracting, construction management, civil construction, interior designing, and embellishing to a broad range of commercial and industrial clients throughout the country. Excel Construction is a growing business and has emerged as a major player in the construction industry. At Excel Group of Companies, our mission is to establish long-lasting connections with our customers and provide memorable experiences through our cutting-edge services. Our belief in excellence has led the company to move forward, innovate, and revolutionize. At every concern of Excel Group, we aspire to acquire excellence in our professional standards. And that is how we guarantee our clientele the quality of our goods and services.